All right. To ZingZang or not to ZingZang? Now, ZingZang makes a pretty mean Bloody Mary. But if you're taking Bloody Marys to the next level, well, you're going to need some ingredients and we got them. So you're going to need tomato juice, lemon juice, lime juice, Worcestershire.
Wash your sister sauce.
Wash your sister sauce, Worcestershire. Tabasco, horseradish, pickles, olives, and what are these things? Peppercone,
you don't write them.
Cincy,
You eat
something.
them. You don't write them.
Black pepper, a little bit of Old Bay.
You can make a Bombay drink.
And, well, we're going to use these as a garnish. These are sweet horseradish pickles. They're the bomb. That's going to be our garnish. Part of our garnish. So, I'm not boring you with mixing this all up, so I'm going to do that. We'll be right back and finish this. We'll post all the ingredients and the measurements down in the description.
So you're comparing a ZingZing Bloody Mary to
a homemade.
a homemade with the tomato based.
All right, so we're taking this test to the next level again. So we're making one with just ZingZang. We're making one with everything and tomato juice, and we're making one with ZingZang instead of tomato juice.
But everything else.
Everything else.
Everything else. Are we going to use
Something like that?
tomatoes? Do you know the difference in them?
Now tell me.
Well, one's a cherry tomato.
Yeah.
One's a grape tomato.
Yeah.
They're like women's boobs. One's young and firm, and one hangs low.
Johnny has no comment
All right.
because his wife is in the room.
Do you like them older or younger?
Yes.
Excellent answer. Now which one you making?
We're gonna make them all at the same time.
All right.
All right. So 16 ounces of tomato juice or ZingZang. This recipe says mix in the vodka now. We're gonna do that later. But we got this from SouffleBombay.com.
Bless you.
SouffleBombay.com.
Yep, check it out if you can't follow these guys.
It's not souffle. It's souffle.
But I do think these
French
guys
for
have the
can.
right idea.
Can.
We are comparing our old ZingZang only recipe to the new recipe and ad-libbing the new recipe and exchanging the tomato juice out for ZingZang.
Nathan's Gourmet Sweet Horseradish Pickles.
Wait,
It's a refrigerated product brought to you by Nathan.
look at the difference in color on all those. Look at that.
All right. So what are we gonna do? You need a good rim job here. Everybody wants a good rim job. We got Old Bay seasoning, a little bit of lime juice. All right.
How did the Bloody Mary get its name? Do I even want to know?
That's because when Aunt Flo showed up,
So
I got bronchitis.
I got bronchitis. Ain't nobody got time for that. Thank you, Sweet Brown.
That's what's different.
All right.
See her on YouTube. What do you put about 2 ounces in her, John?
Probably 2. Whatever it takes.
This morning.
3.
Yeah. Does that look even? We don't want somebody to get more vodka than somebody else. That just doesn't seem fair. Here's what we're gonna do here. We're gonna give this another mix. Pour that guy in there.
Which one's that?
This is the tomato juice.
And that one?
This is a ZingZang with all the ingredients. This is a ZingZang the way we normally make them. Can't do a blind taste test because, well,
Sure you can. It's just not blind.
I don't know about you guys, but if you're gonna make Bloody Marys, you got to take them to the next level, right? So, you pretty much have them for breakfast for a reason.
Oh, what you got there?
We got, what kind of beef stick is that?
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno infused. Wait a second. But wait,
Oh, hello.
there's more.
That's what you got on there.
What do we have, Tim?
Oh,
A
yeah.
little firm tomato, a little pepperoni, little gherkin pickle, olive, Kojak cheese. You got a buffet going on right there.
Who needs lunch
All
Yeah.
the food groups are
or
represented.
breakfast?
I don't think we need lunch.
Time to sample.
All right, let me get some stuff out of the way here. We are gonna sample. Tim, what do you think? What do you think we should go first? Let's go with the. This is just the ZingZang the way we normally make it first.
Aw, you guys want a plate of spaghetti to share too?
That's pretty good. That is pretty good.
That is good.
Now we'll go ZingZang with the spices. Let me do it the bartender way. I honestly, I don't know that I taste a whole lot of difference.
Maybe we should use a different straw, but we're family. Screw it. 1, 2, 3.
All right, so
As I dribbled.
the plain old tomato juice. ZingZang's better because it's got some spices in it.
I'm not a fan of V8, but tomato juice works for me. But ZingZang doctored up.
All right, so if you're making a Bloody Mary, The moral of the story is, well,
Put a buffet on it.
put a buffet on it, because once you eat all this food, I don't think you even care. You just need something to wash it down.
So what's the verdict there? State it again.
The verdict is, I think this.
1, 2, 3.
Yep, I agree.
So
I would agree with that.
ZingZing with the recipe
Yeah, ZingZing with the recipe, because
that you got off the website that nobody's pronouncing correctly.
Correct, but we'll put the link right down in the description.
Okay.
Then the regular ZingZing, the way we've always made them.
And then the recipe
And then-
the way it stands with just tomato
Yeah, this
juice.
is the recipe the way it stands.
CDL, SouffleBombay, bitch.
SouffleBombay, bitch.
Give him another
Actually,
drink.
forget about the bitch. SouffleBombay.com.
Well, I'm going to taste them all when I'm done here.
Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click
then
that
what-
notification bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos, and well.
I'll take the
I don't
tomato
care.
juice one. I'm just going to taste
I
them
want
all.
you to try it and tell.
Yeah.
Film her trying it.
All right, director's cut. And by director's cut, I mean. All right, do something fancy. Oh wait, how do I take a picture? What? Oh, I just got it. I got it. Are you sipping out of there?
Yeah.
I'll stand over here.
Get your beef out of my way.
You're giving me a cleavage shot.
Maybe that's the one that's gonna get
You
it.
got your hair in it.
Oh wait, that might be the thumbnail right there. I don't even know. Dudes will click on cleavage. Take one more sip.
In the middle?
Yeah, sure.